I am the Dalek Supreme from Resurrection of the Daleks. I have been modified by my master, Hancock Shear. I have been given white hemispheres, black bodywork, white eye discs and eye stalk, black neck rings. I had to be cut open, so that means the customization could begin. I thank my master, Hancock Shear, for repainting me in this livery. Now I can work as a true ruler. My posability is still the same. My head can still do a 360 degrees. My eye has been stiffened, so that means it won't fall out. The arm can still move around in the ball socket, as can the gun. I was painted using matte enamel paints. I shall have a gloss coat eventually. My arm and gun have been painted black, as that is the more prototypical colour of me in that story. This is the finest paintwork that my master has done, and I thank him. He must be the true ruler of the universe.